Hello everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Carla, also known as LittleFitDevil or LFD. Today I am going to be reviewing another cold steel knife. You guys know I've been reviewing cold steel knives because of the whole debacle. Not debacle really, it got sold to GSM Outdoors. People are still trying to figure out what's going to happen with cold steel knives, so a lot of people are actually buying them. And I think it's good to know what's good and what's not, and what options you have. So today I'm going to be reviewing the Cold Steel Lite. This is actually the most expensive cold steel knife I have reviewed so far because I'm used to reviewing cold steel budget-friendly knives. So this is going to be an addition to my cold steel reviews in a different light. So I really hope you like it. So Cold Steel Lite, let's start with the specs and then let's go through what I think about it. So overall length, 8 inches, blade length 3.5 inches, cutting edge same, blade width 1 inch, and blade thickness 0.12. Sorry, it's all marked because I've been playing with it, so I apologize, you guys. Okay, let me clean it up for you. There we go. Okay, so we also have a weight of 3.2 ounces. It's actually very lightweight, and I think one of the best features of the knife, therefore the Lite name, which I think it's a good one. What else? Handle length 4.5 inches, handle width 1 inch, handle thickness 0.35. Okay, so let's talk about the blade. This is an AUS 10A made in Taiwan. AUS 10A is a Japanese steel. It's similar to the VG10. However, it has a small difference, which really makes it okay in edge retention, or I guess one of the better qualities is the edge retention. However, is not as corrosion resistant. Still, cold steel uses this type of steel for their higher end knives, and by that I mean, knives that are in the non-budget category, and I qualify budget-friendly knives under $60. This one is actually between $85 and $100, believe it or not. But there's a few reasons for it, right? So the AUS 10A is one of the reasons on the blade. This one is a drop point hollow grind. As you can see, it's a satin finish, and it has for the opening mechanism is a thumb stud. You can see right there. It also has some great jimping, you guys, and that is really to, I think, use and abuse the knife in sort of a good way. And why? Because of the triad lock, and I'll show you guys now that I start to talk about the handle a little more. So cold steel knives have this sort of like signature locking mechanism called the triad lock. It's super hard and it's really reliable, and it's right here. So really, in order for you to close the knife, you press it and it releases. Now what's good about that is that when you actually are using the knife, you really don't have to worry much because this thing is stuck there, right? There is no like real potential for malfunctioning. So I mean, you can really moderately use this knife. I'm saying moderately just because the blade or the steel, I feel like, to me, it's a light to moderate use kind of knife, but you can really do some amazing things with it and really use it hard. So that's that, and I think the aggressive jimping here is probably the reason why. I do wonder if after using it for a long time, the aggressive jimping might hurt your finger. I would have to test it out, but it is aggressive, you guys. You see it? All right, now let's talk about the handle. So the handle is a G10 in black. It's actually beautiful, you guys. Very nice and smooth, nicely done. It's a tip-up carry only. However, you can left or right carry. It actually comes with an extra clip. So the way that works is you have this one set up already, and if you want the other way, you go the other side and put it in and release the other one. All the hardware is in satin finish, and it really makes a nice looking knife. I have to be honest with you, I do like the cold steel budget friendly knives quite a bit. This one, it's interesting. I have never really thought of owning a cold steel knife that it's a little bit more on the mid-range kind of price point for me. But hey, it's a good one, you know. I think that does it, you guys. I hope you enjoyed it. As always, go ahead and follow me on Instagram. I also have a Patreon and a Teespring Strong store, and I do reviews every week. So I hope you consider subscribing to this channel if you learned something new. As always, thank you so much for being here. I hope you have an amazing day. I will see you soon in another knife review.